guys, David here from Gain Leads, and today I'm going to show you how to set up call conversion tracking with using a Google number. So it's real simple to do, and the reason you want to track conversions in Adwords is because that's really the only way that you can make good optimizations and actually lower your cost per conversion. So I'm not going to get into that too much, but I'm just going to show you the nuts and bolts of how to get it set up. And so this is what you do. So I just created a test account, and so when you log into AdWords, you'll see something a little different. But you'll see up here at the top there's a Tools section. You're going to click on that. Then you're going to click on Conversions. If you don't have any conversions set up, you'll see this screen. Otherwise, you'll just see what you have set up already. So I'll go ahead and click the plus conversion, and we're going to be working with phone calls. Now this is only tracking phone calls at this point. It's not tracking any forms on your website. So that will be a separate video. But you'll want to track both. So go ahead and click Select. And you're going to choose the middle one, calls to a phone number on your website. And then continue. Pick a name. We can call it phone calls from website. Enter a value. If you know a value, then you can put that in. That's a little more advanced and going to be different for each business, so I'm just going to put $10. Call length is important. You only want to track calls that are higher value, so keep this probably at about 60 seconds. Anything less than that is either a wrong number or a missed call. Count is really important. Only count once. If you count every, then if the customer calls you a few different times, it's going to track each of those as a conversion, and you really only want the first call tracked as a conversion. So choose one. Conversion window you can leave as 30 days. Category is fine, and including conversions, yeah, everything else is fine. So then hit save and continue. And now you're going to come down here and you're going to tick this box that says enter your phone number as it appears on your website. Now the important thing here is if you list your phone number with the area code on your website, then that's how you want to list it here. If you just have the area code and the phone number, then that's how you want to put it here. So for example, let's say on my website I had 1-561-463-2606, then that's what I would want to put here. If I just had 561-463-2606, then I would put that here. So in my example, I just have, bear with me, I just want to make sure, but I think I just have the area code. And so what happens is Google will actually swap this number out with a Google tracking number, so that's why it has to be perfect. So 561-463-2606. I don't use the area code. And now what I'm going to do is create the tag. So they give you the code here, and you're just going to copy it. And you're going to paste it on your website. Now this part is going to be different for everyone. You might have a WordPress site, so you're going to put it in the editor code, or it's just you're going to have to get instructions on that explicitly. I'm using a landing page builder called Landingy, and that's what I'm going to use. So Google call code. And let me just pause it for one moment, and I want to double check one thing. I'll be right back. Perfect. Okay, I just wanted to double check one thing. So now you're going to paste this code into the head tag. So that's between the two head tags in your HTML. So for me, I just do this, and I'm going to put it on both pages. And alright, so that's it. Now that's added. Now come back to here and just click done. And now we have to create a call extension to finalize this. So this might be a problem. I don't have any conversions set up yet, or campaigns set up yet. So let me pause it, create a campaign. I'll be right back. Okay, so now we just need to create a call extension. So I'm on the Add Extensions tab. I'm gonna go to Call Extension, and I'm gonna click this red button for New Extension. And I'm just going to put my tracking phone number in. Okay, and then come down here to Advanced and just make sure that Count Calls as Phone Call Conversions is checked. And you can leave the conversion action the default, and then go ahead and save it. And make sure it's on the right here, and click Save again. Okay. And now let me just go back to my conversions. Okay, and there you go. So it's there. The code is on the website and it's saved. So now let's go to the website and I'll show you how to do a little test. Actually, what you're going to want to do is open a new window in incognito mode. And paste your URL here, and then Google has a little snippet, and this is what it looks like. It's a / I don't know if you can see it, / pound Google WCC force, and if you put that at the end of your URL, so I'm going to replace the slash. So it's my URL / the Google code, and if we click OK, you'll see what it actually does is it changes the number. Remember that was a 561-463-4606 number. Now it's just all 9. So that means your code is working. That's how you can verify it. And so what that's going to do now is when you get a call, it's going to show up next to the keyword as a conversion. So I don't have my columns set up here. So if I were to set up my columns conversions, you'll see it will show up, and now I know which keywords are working and which keywords aren't. And then one last thing, there is a report that will tell you if you go into your Dimensions tab and you change this to call details, you'll actually see, you'll be able to see the duration of the calls, the status of the calls, and the area code. They won't give you the phone number, but that's it. So that's how you set up free call tracking with Google AdWords. There are other advanced tools that you could use. Callrail.com is a really good one that's what I usually use, as a matter of fact. And that one's really cool because it has call recording, and it has other things like, you know, if you miss a call, you can get a reminder or a text or something like that. So, but just keeping it basic, go ahead and get this set up. That way your calls are getting tracked, your conversions are getting tracked, and you'll be able to go through your account and optimize it and make meaningful improvements that are going to ultimately drop your cost per conversion. All right, I hope that helped. Thanks. Again, this is David from GainLeads.net.